So this video I uploaded today, it's a different video from what I usually do. I mean, the things that surrounded the video before the uploading of it was very, very shocking. I got a lot of reviews, and I feel like after this video my head is going to be on a table for them to chop off. But let's just watch it and leave every comment at the comment section, and I'll reply everything. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tega Clifford as usual, and then if you're a new subscriber, you know what I always do. Kisses to you guys. Thanks for watching my video, thanks for clicking on the button, and then if you're a former subscriber as well, thanks for being loyal. So guys, today I'm going to be doing a copycat of what Revlon did. I just took out my Ghana weaving, my braids, so my hair is like really dirty and smelling, but then I'm going to wash it. So usually I do this by myself at home, but I had issues with my nails and my hands, so I can't wash my hair by myself. I had to come to my hairdresser's place today. So guys, let me just tell you, so if you haven't watched Revlon's how to dye my hair video, I think you should actually go and watch it. So she just dyed her hair from black to goldish brown, something like that, and then it just inspired me to do something like that. But if you are a Nigerian and you have Nigerian parents and you live under their roof, please ask permission before you do what you want to do. She inspired me, so I'm going to do what she did, but in a a more toned down color, because I don't have anywhere to go. They push me from my house. I'll go to Underbridge. Anyway, I'm trying to I won't dye my hair. And I'm going to see. So guys, just stay tuned, and then we'll go right back into it. And then don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. You guys in between the video. Alright, stay tuned. I'm going to be using my VO5 Blooming Facial Moisturizing Conditioner and my Biotin and Collagen Thickening Shampoo. Is what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using Revlon in golden brown and honey blonde. I'm going to be mixing the two because I want to tone it down. Like I said, I live under my parents' roof. I don't have anywhere else to go if they kick me out. So now you guys know that by time of this video, you know I didn't relax my natural hair, but then I needed to get you guys to watch my videos. I mean I have to beg people to be watching my videos, so I had to do it in the way that everybody will answer me when I do these things. So I had to tell people that I relax my hair so that they will come and watch my video, just trying to cause traffic to my site. I know people are going to have my head for this, but I mean a girl gotta shine sometimes. But then I'm just trying to dye my hair into a different color, because the one I used before was fading and I didn't like it, and I just wanted to do something completely different. So I mixed two dyes together and it gave me the color that you will see very soon. So this look was actually created by Revlon, and then the inspiration to do the whole I relaxed my hair was by my content manager. The traffic at my website or at my YouTube channel was very low and I didn't like it, and then I wanted to know how many people actually really cared about whether I relaxed my hair or not, or people actually cared about the value of my natural hair. And I like the response I got. I like the fact that people were shocked, people were angry, people insulted me for it, people unfollowed me for it, but I'm cool with it. I mean it sure got people to be here today, and then it just showed me that people actually do care, even if it's a minimum amount of people, but they actually care about what I do with my hair. So it means that my work is not in vain. So my hairdresser is just mixing up and trying to let everything set. So I'm going to put my shower cap on it, and I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes for it to dry, and then voila, here it is. I didn't bleach my hair because I didn't feel the need to bleach it, because I didn't want all the black to disappear permanently. But I really like how it looks. It makes my hair coily. It just has this different look. So in the dark or where there's no sun, it looks like brown, but when I'm under the sun, it looks very red. So I like the whole intertwined color and all, and it's not so loud. So yeah. So for those of you that thought I relaxed my hair and wanted to shop me raw, I'm very sorry. I just had to promote my website. Don't be offended. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Shim sham bum bum shum shum shim shim shum. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.